For millions of people in India, access to timely finance can make a significant difference, whether it's buying a two-wheeler, expanding a small business, or meeting personal financial needs. Behind many of these aspirations are non-banking financial companies, or NBFCs. One such company with a strong presence in central and western India is Berar Finance Limited. In today's video, we'll explore the company's journey, business model, strengths, challenges, and why it has become a closely watched name in the unlisted market. Berar Finance Limited was incorporated in 1990 and is headquartered in Nagpur, Maharashtra. It is a deposit-taking NBFC registered with the Reserve Bank of India and has grown into one of the established vehicle financing companies in central and western India. Today, the company operates 100 Jod branches across states including Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Gujarat, Karnataka, and has expanded into Odisha. It has served more than 5 lakh customers over its journey. Over the years, Berar Finance has evolved from a regional finance company into a diversified NBFC serving retail and MSME customers. So, how does Berar Finance generate revenue? The company primarily earns income by providing loans and charging interest over the repayment period. Its major products include two-wheeler loans, vehicle refinance, personal loans, secured MSME loans, loan against property. Historically, the company also offered used car financing, although it has reduced its focus on that segment. By focusing on retail borrowers and small businesses, Berar Finance serves customers who often require quick and accessible financing solutions. One of Berar Finance's biggest strengths is its deep presence in semi-urban and rural markets, where demand for retail finance continues to grow. The company has steadily expanded its branch network and customer base while maintaining a focus on vehicle financing. Another important milestone was attracting institutional investors such as Amicus Capital, followed later by additional equity funding from Amicus Capital and Major Invest, supporting future growth plans. Its long operating history and regional expertise have helped the company build customer relationships across multiple states. Berar Finance has gained attention in the unlisted market because it operates in India's expanding retail lending sector. Investors often evaluate factors such as loan book growth, asset quality, profitability, capital adequacy, branch expansion. According to publicly available credit information, the company's loan book crossed 1,100 crore rupee by September 2024, while continuing to expand its operations. Overall, Berar Finance Limited has built a strong presence in India's retail lending industry through its focus on vehicle finance and customer-centric financial products. With a growing branch network and decades of operating experience, the company continues to be monitored by participants in the unlisted market. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mira Associates for more educational content on unlisted companies and the unlisted share market.
Mira Associates provides assistance for unlisted share transactions only. We do not provide investment advice or recommendations. Investments in securities are subject to market risks. Please conduct your own research before making investment decisions.